Automation is a key word for us.
State-of-the-art automation. Flexible. Streamlined processes. Haaland is always overcoming challenges and creating a clearer vision of the future. The challenge of automation. Norway. This country is famous for its fjords and wild and beautiful nature. And Haaland is located about 50 kilometers south of Stavanger. Over the past couple of years, Haaland has faced tremendous challenges to introduce and incorporate state-of-the-art automation systems into their facilities. The people of Haaland are proud to share their story and success.
My name is Ragnar Sandva. I'm the managing director of HAALAND. HAALAND started its current sheet metal business back in 1982, and we are currently about 100 employees. We are a subcontractor company, and we are covering a wide range of businesses from oil and gas, electronics industry, agriculture, and also some for the maritime industry.
Mr. Ragnar Sandvai explains the reason why Haaland introduced state-of-the-art automation systems into their facilities.
We did a lot of forklift driving, transporting raw material into the machines and also finished goods out of the machines. We used to spend maybe many thousand hours driving forklifts all around the factory, and there was a lot of manual tools set up. When we decided to build a new factory, Armada was the company that came up with the best solutions to our questions. We saw on the entire manufacturing process from design through programming, production and finished goods.
The first phase of the automation project started in 2006, and Mr. Elin Eredsvilla, technical manager, explains how he felt about installation and training by Armada's global project members.
Perfect installation from Armada. It was well planned, everything went as it should, and the installation was finished approximately 3 weeks before schedule. During the installation period we had training of operators and software and everything.
Let us first take a closer look at their new automation system in the blanking process. There are two EMZ 3610NT punching machines and one EML 3610NT punching and laser combination machine combined with the PDC, or automatic punch and die changers, as well as an automatic sheet loader and parts unloader. Those three machines are connected for a total of 299 shelves in the CS300 automatic storage system.
Much more flexibility. Doesn't matter it's 10 or 500. The automatic system can do that for you, and you also got the tool change. That was a revolution for us. In the old way, by doing everything manually, by finding raw material, do the tool change and stuff like that, we used 1 hour and 5 minutes. Afterwards we used 4.5 minutes in the same operation. I think we save approximately 12,000 hours a year.
Next, let's take a look at their automation system in the bending process. There are two different types of machines. One is the TBZ 2523H panel bender, and the other is the Astro 100 NT cell bending robot.
For the right products, TB is very, very efficient. Astrocell is very good for repetitive jobs with many bends, and it's working and a very stable partner for big series. So it's not an operator just sitting there and waiting for the jobs to be done. He's also programming the Astro, so it has to go back to the office, do the next programming for the next jobs. Compared to the old setup, we have reduced man-hour at least 50%.
During the first phase of the automation project, HAALAND focused not only on machines, but also software.
The sheet works quite amazing because the accuracy of bending with bend deduction and stuff like that, that's quite in a different way than we have been used to earlier. So that will, the software system, the way Amada do the thinking of using, see the full picture. I like the way Amada thinks. With the FMS controller from Amada also now you can plan 24 hours each day. The most amazing about it that since startup in the end of 2008, it had been no problems with tool changing with the CS system or everything. It's running perfect. vFactory, we want to use vFactory as our marketing tool for showing them live what's happening now.
As we have seen here, HAALAND has achieved state-of-the-art automation in the blanking and bending processes and increased productivity, but their automation challenge continues as follows.
Over the last 1.5, 2 years, that changed to bigger parts, and we saw the need for a bigger Astrocell.
After a long developmental stage incorporating various methods of testing and rigorous analysis, Amada engineers complied with HAALAND's request by suggesting the HDS Astro 165W bending robot system in 2009.
That's been quite genius in our production because many of the big parts we have to use 3 or 4 people lifting. Now we don't have that anymore. There is one robot lifting the parts easy as anything, and then that will be one of the most biggest gainer for us in comparison to manpower.
By utilizing a state-of-the-art automation system, HAALAND has eliminated a great deal of material handling time, as well as tool setup time, while also increasing productivity. It flexibly performs for a wide range of different sized parts, efficiently, regardless of the production lot size. In closing, we asked Mr. Ragnar Sandvai about his future plans and relationship with Amada.
When we look into the future, we see a further expansion of our business over several fields, and some of the customers that we have today are steadily growing. Communication between Amada and HAALAND as it is today, I think that's very good, and we should continue challenge each other